Energy is high, smiles about and spirits fly. Today is the day we have waited for, with loved ones near our hearts. So we have learned, grown, and worked with pride. Now it's time to share achievements with joy inside. Clap, cheer, and tap your feet. Get ready for spectacular treat.
Good afternoon, Principal Ma'am. Our dear pre-nursery and nursery welcome you all to share our joys and milestones of our journey. We have worked hard with our teachers to prepare an amazing show. It took weeks of planning and practice, but now we are ready. We hope you enjoy watching us perform as much as we enjoy preparing for it. Today, we would like to share a special part of school identity with you all. Taxila Gan, our school songs represents us values and spirit. Please join us as our school choir will proudly perform it for you today. Spellbound. Watch as they bring elegance and grace to the stage.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा
गणानाम गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे भुजाचार इक दंत चंद्रमा ललाटराज ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश ताल दे धुरपद गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मेरे दंग बजावे धरान धर धर कृदान दिन 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 नग 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 धन धन तिन तिन तग नन तदि गन दिग दिग दिन दिन दिनाग दिनाग ता कृदान कृत धरान तरान धा धरान तरान धा धरान तरान धा ता कृदान कृत धरान तरान धा कृत धरान तरान धा कृत धरान तरान धा ता कृदान कृत धरान तरान धा कृत धरान तरान धा कृत धरान तरान धा
The journey of session 2024-25 has been amazing. We started with class assemblies where each section showcased their talents. Then we had class presentations that highlighted everything we learned throughout the year. Our teachers have been amazing, guiding us at every step of the way and helping us bloom into confident individuals. They have inspired us to participate in various academic and co-curricular activities. We had an amazing time with activities, with science experiments, with postman activities and many skill-based activities. Circle time stories have made us fall in love with reading, while art activities have sparked our imagination. Kitchen garden activities have taught us to appreciate nature. Cooking activities have been super special. We have learned to make delicious snacks and help our mother in the kitchen. Mathematics activities and projects have kept us informed and engaged. Learning centers have helped us develop our problem-solving skills. Jodogana has made math fun and easy, while our regimental activities have taught us to think logically. Our major co-curricular activities have been a highlight, surrounded by vibrant decorations, stunning displays, and innovative crafts. From dressing up to savoring our favorite treats for special assemblies have turned learning into a treasured celebration. Climate change is a focus this year. Protecting Earth is crystal clear. We can all contribute every single day by reducing, reusing, and recycling in a loving way. Books are a magical treat where wonder waits and dreams meet. Through pages turned and stories told, kids learn, grow, and imagine bold. With every read, their minds take flight, exploring world where curiosity shines bright. Books spark imagination, creativity too, helping kids grow with a heart that Today's show is all about us. We are excited to share our talent with you. Get ready for singing, dancing, playing, and storytelling. We'll be performing some of our favorite stories, including Three Little Kittens, whereas Amma and a visit to the city market. The three kittens, oh so bright, go on an adventure with all their might. What will they catch with eyes so wide? Let's join the fun and take a step inside. Here, Mama, Kiran wants to know he furtive high and low. Where could she go? Join Kiran's quest to find his mom with glee and see where Amma is waiting to be free. A visit to the city market. Oh, what fun! A day of discovery for everyone. Join us on this adventure to explore and play and see what wonders the market has in store today. It is our pleasure to present the grand finale of our storytelling journey. To minimize distractions, please refrain from using mobile phones or keep them on silent mode. Photos and videos will be shared on our website. Get ready for Jasne Bachpan. Light, camera, action.
What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie.
Then you shall have no pie. 1, 2, 3. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens, began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear, we lost our mittens. Why? 1, 2, 3. 3 little kittens, they found their mittens, began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, we found our mittens. Why? Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, then you will have some pie. Then you will have some pie. 1, 2, 3. 3 little kittens put on their mittens and ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear, we soiled our mittens. Why? 1, 2, 3. 3 little kittens put on their mittens and eat up the pie. Oh, mother, thank you for the cherry pie. Oh no, messy kittens, look at your mittens. Wash clean your mittens. Take your pie now. Take your pie now. Take your pie now. Meow, meow, kittens, I have just finished cleaning the entire house. Please keep it tidy and no mice chasing today. I want to see sparkling and spotless floor. Meow, meow, I'm very hungry. for you. It's crunchy, green and packed with nutrients. No. Let's go have fun. We can explore the garden, share with the flies, and play hide and seek. Yeah! We can discover new hidden spots, climb trees, and watch the birds singing. And visit our Sikhi house. It's a perfect place to relax. Remember, kittens, to stay out of trouble and don't make a mess. Stay together, look out for each other. Now I'm going to rest. We promise to return with green paws. Okay, Mama, we say together. Meow, let's go. It's time for adventure. We have the best day ever. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, these kittens. Meow, 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 meow.
लुका छुपी खेलते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे। लुका छुपी खेलते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे। बिल्लियों से इनकी दुश्मनी पुरानी, बिल्लियों से इनकी दुश्मनी पुरानी। राजा रानी के जमाने की कहानी है, राजा रानी के जमाने की कहानी है। लुका छुपी खेलते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे। थोड़ी इतनी नादानी है, थोड़ी इतनी शैतानी, थोड़ी इतनी नादानी है, थोड़ी इतनी शैतानी। चीजें कुतरने की आदत है पुरानी, चीजें कुतरने की आदत है पुरानी। लुका छुपी खेलते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे। कोने कोने से ये सरपट भागे, कोने कोने से ये सरपट भागे। कोई ना निकला कभी से आगे, कोई ना निकला कभी से आगे। लुका छुपी खेलते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे। लुका छुपी खेलते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे, बिल्लियों से छुपते बचते भागते आए चूहे।
Look, mice, they are running down. Yum, yum, yum. Let's catch them and have some fun. Squeak, squeak. Oh no, go away, kittens. We don't want to be your food today. Please leave us alone. Squeak, follow me, friend. Hide in the sidewalk. This is great place to hide. They won't think to look for us. Squeak, squeak. We are safe now. Let's stay quiet. Wait for them to go away. देखो सारे कैसे भागे, कोई पीछे कोई आगे, कोई ऊपर कोई दाएं, कोई नीचे कोई बाएं। भाग भाग कर यहाँ गए, भाग भाग कर वहाँ गए। आगे पीपा बहुत बड़ा, उसमें आता बहुत बड़ा। चूहे उसमें कूद गए, बिल्ली उनके पीछे गए। तीनों सन गए आते से, तीनों मन गए आते से। Meow, look at us. We are ghost kittens. Pooh, I look like the fluffy snowball.
Meow. Is dog joking? Get those mice.
Meow. Those mice are so fast. Where did they go? Where are they hiding? I can smell them. Oh, see. Entering that pipe.
Meow. Follow them. Quick, quick.
Squeak, squeak. They will never catch us now. Wait, just wait. Squeak, squeak. We are faster than you kittens. You will never catch us now. Squeak, squeak. See you next time, kittens. Ha ha ha. देखो सारे कैसे भागे, कोई पीछे कोई आगे, कोई ऊपर कोई दाएं, कोई नीचे कोई बाएं, भाग भाग के आ गए, भाग के वहाँ गए, आके पाइप चुए वाई, तीनों चूहे गए गई में, पीछे से दबकाए पियोटे, तीनों काये हो गए आटे, तीनों काये हो गए आटे. Meow. Oh no, we are covered in black water mess. Meow. 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 We got stuck in a pipe. Help. Help. Meow. We got stuck in a pipe. That pipe was distinguished can they see the intelligent creatures? Dad, we are too big for them. Let's hop. These cats cannot catch us way too fast. Dad, there's a park. Let's go there. We will be safe in the water. Meow, 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 meow. Look, fish, leapfrog. They don't taste good. Yes, these fish will be our dinner. Yes, I am hungry. Let's go and catch them.
पानी गीला गीला था, देखता नीला नीला था, उसमें मछली समा गई, पता नहीं सब कहाँ गई। पानी गीला गीला था, अपनी ही नादानी में गए भी लौटे पानी में, लेकिन मछली मिली नहीं, भाग गई सब कहीं कहीं। पानी गीला गीला था, लेकिन कुछ ना पाए तीनों, मन ही मनोवताए तीनों, हार आए जैसे तैसे, देखो हो गए पहले जैसे। पानी गीला गीला था, दिखता नीला नीला था।
We are back at home, wet and hungry. Kittens, see how dirty your clothes are. You have spoiled the floor with your dirty feet. But we were so hungry. We saw mice and tried to chase them. Big and soft and juicy. I was dreaming catching those mice. Oh my God! You naughty kittens, come. Your dinner is ready. Eee! Broccoli soup? No, 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 no. We are going to Kiran's house to find yummy dinner there. No, you have to drink this healthy soup. Okay, Mommy. You naughty kittens, wait, I'm coming.
under the bed covers.
The bed is empty. Maybe she under in the bed.
No, not here either.
Could we see in front of the computer?
The computer is not even switched on. Where could she be?
Let's keep looking.
Amma, 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 Amma. अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, यहाँ गई के वहाँ गई, यहाँ गई के वहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, चलो रसोई में जाए, वही तो अम्मा जाती है, चूल्हा वही जलाती है, खाना वही पकाती है, चूल्हा भी है खाना भी है लेकिन अम्मा कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, यहाँ गई के वहाँ गई, अम्मा 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 चलो चले अब छज्जे पर, अम्मा वहाँ भी जाती है, पानी देती पौधों को, कपड़े वही सुखाती है, पौधे भी है कपड़े भी है लेकिन अम्मा कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई, अम्मा मेरी कहाँ गई।
Oh, Amma's slippers. Is she inside the fridge? Let's check. Are you inside, Amma? Can you hear me? Is it cold inside? What are you doing? There is still no reply. Maybe she is drinking up all the milk or drinking up all or eating up all the burfis. Her mouth is full and she can't talk. There is still no reply. Come out, Amma. Amma, don't even think to eat my pudding. It's only for me. Amma, do not eat my love jellies. Amma, don't even think to eat my pudding. It's only for me. हाँ, वो क्या करती होगी? बैठ के फ्रिज के अंदर अम्मा क्या करती होगी? क्या वो अंदर पीती होंगी दूध सवेरे की तोड़ी? क्या वो अंदर खाती होंगी टॉफी चोरी चोरी? क्या वो अंदर खाती होगी जैम रसभरी थोली? क्या वो अंदर खाती होगी किंडर जॉय की झोली? क्या है मुंह के अंदर बर्फी भरती होगी? वो क्या करती होगी? हाँ, वो क्या करती होगी? बैठ के फ्रिज के अंदर अम्मा क्या करती होगी? अम्मा 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 Kira, Manjula, I am right here. Amma, where were you? I went to Smarty house, my dear. We thought you inside the fridge because your slippers were there. I have so many slippers. नमस्ते अंकल। नमस्ते बेटा। आए बेटा, ये चिट्ठी लेकर कहाँ जा रहे हो? डाक खाने। आए बेटा, आजकल चिट्ठी कौन बेचता है? सब तो मोबाइल में ईमेल और सोशल मीडिया करते हैं। अंकल, चिट्ठी का तो अपना मजा है। ये मेरी मासी के लिए है, मैंने खुद लिखा है और एक तस्वीर भी बनाई है। तस्वीर चिट्ठी में? अच्छा, दिखाओ तो जरा। देखिए, ये मासी की तस्वीर है। मासी थोड़ी मौसा जैसी लग रही है। नहीं नहीं, बहुत सुंदर है। अंकल, मेरी मासी बहुत खूबसूरत है। वैसे हमारे स्कूल में पोस्टमैन एक्टिविटी हुई थी, तभी हमको चिट्ठी लिखने का शौक आया। हुआ? तुम तो पुराने जमाने की याद करा दी है। अच्छा बेटा, जल्दी डाल दो ये चिट्ठी। मासी को ये तस्वीर जरूर पसंद आएगी। नमस्ते अंकल। नमस्ते बेटा। हेलो। हाँ भैया, क्या हाल है? अम्मा अम्मा, मैं संतरा और केले लूंगा। ठीक है भाई साहब, केले और संतरे दे दो। कितने चाहिए? 1 किलो संतरे, 6 केले। किरण, ये थैला पकड़ा, तब तक मैं फल खरीद लेती हूँ। ओह, थैला तो फट गया। अब क्या होगा? हम संतरा और केले कैसे ले जाएंगे? मैंने कहा था ना, प्लास्टिक बैग मत इस्तेमाल करो, जूट बैग ले लो, जैसे हमारी मैडम ने सिखाया था। ओफो, इस बैग ने तो धोखा दे दिया। बैग ने नहीं, तुम्हारी समझ। प्लास्टिक बैग पर्यावरण के लिए बुरा है और हमारे फलों के लिए भी। अब समझ आया। अगली बार जूट बैग लेके आऊंगा। तब तक तुम मेरे केले पकड़ लो, वरना बंदर मेरे से पहले ले जाएगा। अब चलो स्नान डलिया में रख दो। रजनीगंधा और बेली के फूल दे दो। नानी मैं तो गुलाब का फूल भी लूंगा। ये लो छोटे बाबू। शुक्रिया नानी, अगर हर रोज गुलाब मिले तो कितना मजा है। गुलाब तो ले लिया, अब ये बीज भी ले लो और खुद उगाना शुरू कर दो। बीज वाह नानी, हमें स्कूल में भी सिखाया गया है ये क्लाइमेट चेंज को रोकने के लिए पेड़ पौधे लगाना जरूरी है। ये तो हमारा सालाना टीम का हिस्सा है। तो हमारी टीचर ये कहती है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज को हराना है। गुलाब तो ले लिया, अब ये बीज भी ले लो और खुद उगाना शुरू कर दो। वैसे तभी देने के बाद गुलाब कम मिलेगा नानी। हाँ, धैर्य छोटे बाबू धैर्य। जब गुलाब खिलेगा तब मुझे भी भेज देना। ये गुलाब टीचर को भी दिखाना कि हम क्लाइमेट चेंज से लड़ने के लिए अपना छोटा सा कदम बढ़ा रहे हैं। फूल लो, फूल लो।
To make things that we want, a way that can spoil the earth. So let's shift our thoughts, let's rearrange and pave a path where hope can reign. So let's shift our thoughts, let's rearrange and pave a path where hope can reign. सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, खोलो तो मिल जाएगी खुशियाँ। मन के पायदानों को ऊपर बढ़ाने से खुद बदलती जाएगी ये दुनिया। सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, खोजो तो मिल जाएगी खुशियाँ। कोशिश थोड़ी सी करके, कोशिश हाँ कोशिश, कोशिश थोड़ी सी करके आज नया इतिहास रचेंगे। मेहनत ज्यादा करके हम, मेहनत हाँ मेहनत, मेहनत ज्यादा करके हम धरती को पावन कर देंगे। सोलर पावर को अपना के कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कम करके, साइकिल यूजर ज्यादा बनके पॉल्यूशन को कम कर दे। गाने गा के नारे लगाना है ज्यादा आसानी का, चाहिए सबको बस चेंजिंग, बदली थिंकिंग तुमने कहा। चाहिए सबको बस चेंजिंग, बदली थिंकिंग तुमने कहा, बदली थिंकिंग तुमने कहा, बदली थिंकिंग तुमने कहा। Open hearts, let's redefine. It's not just the temperature rise. Change mindset, let's realize, shift our thoughts, let's harmonize. From greed to care, from fear to hope. Let's pave a way, let's learn to grow. From greed to care, from fear to hope. Let's pave a way, let's learn to grow. सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, खोजो तो मिल जाएगी खुशियाँ। मन के पायदानों को ऊपर बढ़ाने से खुद बदलती जाएगी ये दुनिया। सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, खोजो तो मिल जाएगी खुशियाँ।
The curtains are closed on our spectacular show. We hope you had an unforgettable time with us. Now I would request Principal Ma'am to come on stage and address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. A big round of applause for your children. Yes, it seems like yesterday when we were wondering how we are going to deal with pre-nursery. I don't know how much we sweated over the syllabus, tried to get, our chairman to agree to keep shorter working hours, think of different buses. But look at them now. They've made all of us proud. You've been watching them in the class presentations, but that was a smaller hall, fewer people. And here they are so confident what they're going to grow up to be. I'm so glad that you've reposed your faith in us. Please be sure that at DPS, the best is going to be given to your children. Never will you have any cause for complaint. Whatever you see now will slowly form into that fantastic individual who will go forth and make his or her place in the world. Please continue to talk to us, share your issues, if any. We are always there to listen. And so nice of you to spend your Valentine's Day with us. Yeah. So have a lovely life, have a wonderful day. Keep loving your children. Try and make it as unconditional as possible. We keep saying our pets give us unconditional love. Even the pets know how to get around you. These are little versions of ourselves. You don't have to teach your children anything really. What they have to learn about concepts and academics, the school takes care of. Manners, values. Lots of people ask how to make a child a better person. Nothing very difficult, be a better one yourself. The calmer you are, the happier you are, the healthier, the fitter you are. Your child has a role model at home. So I take this opportunity to thank you from the very depth of my heart for being here. God bless. Love you all. So nice to see all my students in uniform. One big round of applause for you too. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for your enlightening words. We are the